Okay, so we are now on the coverage for the third exams. So the possible schedules will be on December 4, 2020. So you need to be prepared for this activity. Okay, so you need to read your certain section of materials and in peace diligently upload or download the online discussion so that you will be guided properly. Okay, so shall we start for the topic? So security risk analysis. So when we say security risk analysis, it is analyzing all the possible risk hazards. So what are those risks? Like for instance, na ay nakahambalang ng bangko sa agianan. So that is a possible risk. And then another is mga blind spot ng camera. That is a possible security risk. And then mga what we call this busted security lights. So that is sample of another security risk. Okay. So security, it means reducing or limiting the impact or effect of potential risk or hazards. So kung saan pag-reduce by way of clearing all the possible risks. Like for instance, katong isulti na ko ganina, let we say kandado. So kailangan na siya kambyuhan every 6 months, no? So for to avoid possibles of duplicating or replicating the key. And then another is those security officers should not be assigned on a particular area for a prolonged period of months. They should be a shifting method, no? So kailangan ay mag-shift na para maiwasan ang possible na rest. Risk is associated with almost every activity, especially in business arena. Therefore, risk is a potential loss or damage to an asset like financial loss to an enterprise. The term risk is also used to mean the thing insured. For instance, the big A company has been insured and therefore it is a risk. So pag may risk, pag ang usyante magununa na sa advance nga na sa itong mga peligro. So para maprotektahan sa pag-abutan ng time, yung mga unexpected time, so kinahanglan iyang ipa-insure ang iyang kumpanya. Like for instance, kung sunog, so nasa makuha. Kay potential risk man gid ang isa ka kumpanya nga na ay mahitabo nga disgrasya. So para karoon ng countermeasures to minimize the damage, so kailangan iyang magkuha siya og insurance. Okay? So risk analysis. A risk assessment analysis is a rational and orderly approach and comprehensive solutions to problem identifications and the probability of determinations. Like for instance, so kining COVID-19 nga naitabo sa tuwa. So wala ta nag-humani. So wala na to analyze. We did not expect on this because this kind of a virus, it always affect on the what we call is refrigerated countries like US, China, Japan, but nobody expect on this, no? So that's why wala kayong na-analyze or na what we call this na expect sa ato ang gobyerno, no? Gawa na nagdahom. So nahitabo naman siya, so dako ang ato ang financial damage. Okay? So yan, no? Okay. It is also anticipating the possible loss from the occurrence of some unexpected and expected events that will adversely affect the organization. So, example ng kadaan is katong pandemic. So, wala na ito i-expect. Wala na ito siya i-expect. O unexpected siya nga niabot. Okay? So, yan. No? Pag ang isa kabutang manggod nga, wala na ito gidahom moabot. So, lisod na kay panagang. So, makapanagang man ta, pero dako na kay ang damage ng iyang nabuhat o ang atong dako na pala itong magasto. So para maiwasan ang tanan, everything must expect the unexpected. But in this case, in these situations that we have now facing in terms of security, the pandemic COVID-19, it was not expected, and that unexpected that is attack in our country because sabi ko nga kanina na nasa mga malalamig lang na lugar, akala natin hindi nabubuhay ang virus sa mainit na lugar. Pero ngayon, nangyari na. Okay? So now let's go to the terminologies. Hazard. Hazard exposure is the chance of loss or injury synonymously to risk and or peril or danger. Security hazard adheres to any act or conditions which possibly result in a compromise of informations, loss of life, loss or destructions of any property or disruptions of the objective of the installation. Security hazard also means as an act or conditions affecting the safe operations of the facility caused by human acts either intentional or by accident. Kung sa man intentional, this are referring to those employee who are having a hatred to the company or they want what we call this kay nakasabaan sila so they want to revenge by way of disrupting the operations by way of sabotaging no dauton man lang nasa dauton nga usa ka importante para lang makabalos o maapektuhan ang operasyon sa kumpanya. Risk management, it is a process of selecting implementing security countermeasures to achieve an acceptable cost. Like for instance, so wala sa dagkong nga kumpanya nagnay CCTV at the same time na security. What is the purpose of CCTV? To monitor the day-to-day operations and the movement of all authorized personnel assigned particular areas, no? So expect na basin na ay magsabotay or there is what we call this a sabotage or a plan of espionage, no? So adversary, kinsa man yung adversary, remember 95% losses of the company, it is made by the employee itself. Okay? So 95% sa lose sa kalugi sa kumpanya, binuhatan kini sa mga empleyado. Okay? So yung mga adversarial employees. It is addressed to an individual, group, or organizations in or government that conducts activities which is detrimental to the individual, private, or government entity. So criticality, an impact or loss measured in financial terms of the survival of the organization. So para ang survival sa organization is to counter the measures is they need to insure their company. Okay, so para insurance or other insurance na pwede nilang makuha para at the end of the day, pag nawait po sila nga na sila makuha, no?